Repeat after me. I can do this. Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Live Fitness, where our mission is to motivate, educate, and empower you to achieve amazing things. And I want you to repeat that mantra that you can achieve your health and fitness goals, because I know for a lot of you, you've tried different workouts, you've tried different plans before, you've been on the roller coaster, you've been up, you've been on, you've been off. It doesn't matter what you've done in the past. All I care about is what you do in the future. And it starts with self-belief. It starts with that internal, intrinsic feeling that you know you can change it, you can see the results that you want. And it also starts with that belief that it's not as hard or as complicated as you might think. I want you to start small. Just take baby steps. Get that momentum going. Build up your confidence. Keep telling yourself you can do this. And you know what? You will. Oftentimes people come in, especially this time of year, the new year, they're overzealous. They want to change everything and overhaul their whole life. And you know what? That sounds good and it seems like it's going to be the logical thing to do. And guess what? They crash and burn. But not you, not this time, not this year. So you're going to have a plan. First, the plan of self-belief that you can do this. There's going to be good days and bad days. It doesn't matter. Stay the course. There's going to be good workouts and bad workouts. Stay the course. There's going to be good days with a meal plan and bad days. Stay the course. Have that self-belief that the program, trust the process, that you're going to get to the body and the results that you want and that you deserve if you stick with the plan and you have that self-belief. It's the limiting self-belief that usually brings us down. That's usually what happens when people get going, they start an exercise program and they'll have a couple bad days or something just won't go their way, and then they throw in the towel, and then that lack of self-belief, they think that I'm just going to be fat. I'm just going to stay fat. I'm just going to stay out of shape. Or this isn't so bad. I can't really walk upstairs anymore. I can't do the things I used to be able to do, but that's okay. That's just a part of aging. Or worse, you could blame COVID. That's always a good excuse too. But I want something more for you. I want something better for you. So just believe that you can do it. Start small. Make progress every day.